To clean speakers on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, we'll need to download an app that allows us to clean those speakers. So look for a Google Play Store and in the search type in speaker cleaner. And now I used this app for it, so you can download this app and then open it. After that, you can click on the X button to close the Pro features, and right here we can adjust the volume. So I would put the volume on the maximum, and then you can go for the manual cleaner, which will start playing very loud audio on your device to clean those speakers. But I will show you this sound and I will count to 3, so if you don't want to get spooked by this sound, then you can leave the video now. So 1, 2, and 3. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.